just to get some more flavor. Hi everyone, welcome to mydaging.com, and this is the Christmas special. I'm Dr. Roland and Dr. Sashi, and today we're going to do some Christmas special. This is grass-fed strip loin, so you can see it's very nice with the fat skirting really outside.
And this is our lamb shoulder. As you can see, it has more fats than your mutton or anything like that. So when you're cooking it, do not use oils because the natural fats from this will cook the meat.
We're just going to use two simple ingredients: salt and pepper. We're using some Himalayan salt and some brown black pepper. Get that and rub that in.
Now we have this, the lamb shoulder. Same technique.
We're going to show you how to do it on your stove. Joe. You're just going to leave this for about 3 minutes and then flip it, and then I will throw some basic ingredients to give that more flavor. Half sliced garlic. I just want to get that flavor, once you cook it, you're going to get that nice aromatic flavor. Just to get some more flavor. It's almost done. Going to just mix it up.
Okay, now we're going to cook the lamb. It's much more simpler. You don't need oil, you don't need nothing, garlic, nothing, anything. Just use the fats from the lamb. Okay, so once you got your pan heated up, just line them up. Oils are released slightly, so then you flip to the other side. Alright? Giant prawns.
So this, we've already marinated them, so we actually got to clean the insides. Let's see how big they are.
Again, it's just pepper, salt and thyme.
Exactly. This got the squids, clean them out. Still marinated also already. Simple marination. Pepper. Now it's time to put it to the grill again. It's starting to go 3 minutes to 2 minutes on every side. It's coming out. Have a flip, you can see it's just nice, cooked and juicy. Damn! So we got some processed and cleaned salads. We're going to send this to you if you get the Christmas combo, absolutely free, one full bag. So I'm just going to get some virgin olive oil on the salads, and perfecto.
And this is 100% Wagyu beef patty.
The breads, and I'm just going to I can see the rippling.
We want that charred line to be there.
So all these things actually